Lecture 3. Try it yourself. Logging in and navigating the interface. Here's the thing. Reading about a tool is not the same as using it yourself. This lecture is about rolling up your sleeves and actually exploring the Notebook LM interface. Think of this as your guided tour. We'll walk you through logging in, finding key features, and trying your first simple interactions. By the end, you will feel comfortable navigating Notebook LM and ready to make it part of your workflow. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to learn how to log into Notebook LM using your Google account. Learn the layout and main sections of the interface. Create a test notebook and upload a document. Practice basic interactions like asking your first question. Step 1. Accessing Notebook LM. Open your laptop or desktop browser. Notebook LM works best on larger screens. The first thing you will have to do is you can just click in here, scroll down a bit, and here you can see you have an option called Notebook LM. When you just click on that, here you can see this is the interface. Or you can use this URL to access Notebook LM at any browser. No downloads, no installations, just a browser window. Step 2. Your first look at the dashboard. When you log in for the first time, you will land on the main dashboard. Here's what you will see. A sidebar on the left. This area is where your notebooks will appear once you create them. This is called the sidebar. Center workspace. A blank space now, but it's where all your notes and A responses will live. Top toolbar. Includes options like new notebook to start a fresh workspace. For that, you can just click in here and new notebook will be created. And you can upload your sources in here. Take a moment to click around just to see the clean and simple design. Step 3. Creating your first notebook. Let's get practical. Click on Create New Book in here. Now, click on Add Sources and upload a short document, perhaps a class handout or a saved document on your laptop. For that, you can just click in here. And for example, you just want to go with this one. So click in here and click on Open. Name it something easy, like for example, Test Notebook. For that, you can just click in here and Test Notebook. And that's it. You will now see your document listed under the sources section of your notebook. Here you can see you have a source in here. When you just go back, and here you can see you have a test notebook in here, and you can reopen it at any time you want. Step 4. Navigating the interface. Sources tab. Here you can open, rename or remove uploaded files. Here you can see this is your source tab. Chat panel. This is where you type questions about your uploaded content. Here you can see this is your chat panel. Studio bar. Here you can create audio overview, video overview, mind map, and reports of this uploaded content. Click through these features and explore what happens. No harm can be done here. You can always delete and start again. Step 5. Asking your first question. This is the fun part. In the chat box, type a simple question like, summarize this document in 5 bullet points. For example, you can just click in here and type in here as, summarize this article in 3 bullet points. And press enter. Here you can see you have 3 main points in here, first one, second, and the third one as well. Notice how quickly Notebook LM responds. Try another question to see how it handles follow-ups. Step 6. Experiment with the toolbar. Next, learn the menu options. Rename your notebook. For example, if you want to rename that, you can just click in here and type in here as the title. And here you can see you have the main title in here. Check the 3-dot menu next to your sources. For that, you can just click in here. Here you can see you can remove or rename source as well. Try clicking the copy icon on an AI response to save it in your notes. For that, you can just scroll down a bit. And here you can see you can copy the entire response from AI and save it in your notes. Now that you have seen the interface firsthand, it should feel less like a tool and more like a workspace you can shape.